The Cicada and the Ant. One summer day, the lazy cicada sang on the leaf of a tree. The diligent ant was picking grains on a farm. The lazy cicada sang the day away under the shade of a tree. Fall came. The diligent ant was gathering acorns also. Winter came. The ant was happy with the food he has stored. But the lazy cicada felt cold and hungry. She went to the ant's house. "Please, spare me some food," begged the cicada. The ant welcomed the cicada and gave her some food. The cicada thanked the ant for her kindness.
Dear friends, we have finished reading 7 of Aesop's stories. All right, my friends, goodbye!